Okay, this is a demo using OpenAI's Assistant API. Now, it's still in beta, so there are some issues and things that are kind of difficult to wrap your head around. And so I'm just going to do a quick demo here to kind of present some of the basic ideas around the API. So first of all, the Assistant API, you could go in the back end on platform.openai.com, and then you can create an assistant. Here I just created a basic assistant with some functions here, and I have that already saved in JavaScript over here, and we just have a basic HTML page that we created here, and we're just going to make calls via JavaScript to the API. And so here, the first thing you have to know is that you need to create threads. And threads can exist independent of the Assistant API, but you still need to create it initially. And then you create messages within those threads. And then you create runs to solicit a response from the Assistant API. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly test this here. We'll say, hi, can I book an appointment? I have to create the thread first, obviously. Okay, let's try that again. So here we can see what's going on. So there we go. So we created the thread, and then we created a message, and then we created a run. And now it responded, and it's asking me for my name, so I'll give it my name. And then we create another message, and it creates another run. And then it calls a function because I told the assistant to get the event types when somebody's asking for an appointment. And you'll see here, it's showing the types of event types that are available. And that's based on a function where we fetch an API for an app that I created over here, where you have your calendar and your available times, and you have your event types. So I have onboarding product demo, and then all the little details related to that. And you can see that it grabbed it here. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and say, I want to book a product demo. Okay. And you'll see that now so it created the message, you created a run, and then it called the function get availability based on the ID that was returned from get the event types. And so it shows all of the available times. Now we could condense that just to make things a little bit easier, obviously, assuming that this is working under SMS or WhatsApp or something of that nature. So we'll just go ahead and say we want to book for tomorrow at 11. And we spelled it wrong, but it doesn't matter because ChatGPT can understand that. So now it's calling another function called book event, which makes a post request. And it created the appointment at 11. So let's see our calendar. And it's synced up to my Google Calendar, so you can see that it's created an event on my Google Calendar. And it should technically block that off too and not allow other people to book it. So that's the basic idea here. Now, one thing that you have to be familiar with is the idea of runs. So after we create a message, we have to prompt the assistant to create a run, which solicits a response. And we have some logic here to cancel the runs because the thread won't accept a message if there is an active run with a status set to require an action, which is related to a function. And so you either cancel those runs or you run those functions and you submit tool outputs. And that should cancel out or complete the run and allow you to kind of go on with the natural conversation. So that's just a basic demo. Hope you liked it. Let me know if you want more. Bye.